You can get hit with this G-Wen. Taking shots at his head, but it didn't hit the R.I.M. Taking no shit, call me Z.I.M. It's a dirty game, but I'm in a dirty game.
Hey YouTube, it's Dopey Guns. Back at it again. We at the shooting range. Finally, I got some time to do it. Feel me? Today won't be first time shooting my Glock 43X. You know what I mean? Please excuse the malfunctions throughout the videos. I have problems with the magazines. It's the ETS magazine. Just enjoy the video. Just excuse the malfunctions. Yeah, these ETS mags, they're bad. Junking these right after this. Kind of nice. I like this little 43X. You know what I mean? We back reloading. You know what I'm saying? Got these 9mm Fiocchi 150, 115 grain. 1250. You know what I mean? We done reloading. You know what I mean? Got these mags filled up. About to get started again. You know what I mean? Stay tuned. Guns. My fault about I ain't put a outro in there. But subscribe, hit that like button, and hit that follow button, hit that notification button. You know what I mean? Get with me.